Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. Vellore Fort, a historical marvel.
Welcome to my Vellore Fort exhibit. Come, let's explore the wonders of Vellore Fort. Vellore Fort is a historic fort located in Vellore. It was built by Chinnabommi Reddy, a fortress chieftain under the Vijayanagara Empire in 16th century. It was initially a mud fort which was strengthened by Bijapur Sultanate in 17th century. The British captured the fort in 1760 and held it until India gained independence in 1947. Impenetrable rectangular 30-acre fort is surrounded by high walls and a deep moat. The fort is rich in cultural heritage and architectural styles of various dynasties. The tourist attraction of Vellore Fort are Jalakanteshwara Temple, St. John's Church, Government Museum, Nawab Chanda Sahib Mosque and Tippu Mahal. Thank you for watching.